Good morning, welcome to Call to Salvation and a Balance with guys. But I am going to attempt to lay my lace wig. My sister got it for me and I haven't laid it because you can see it's new. So wish me luck. I'll come back looking all cute. Hello good people, but I'm done laying it. So we're going to town with my mother. I laid it in less than 30 minutes. So if you see any errors anywhere, please bear with me. It's my first time laying it. So yeah. Okay, catch you guys later. Okay, so this is my OTD. This is the human being I'm going with. So this is how I look with the shoes. Another thing about me, until I have my own, I will drive other people's cars. So yeah, now we're going home. It's so hot. I'm feeling myself. Attempting a surprise kiddie pool. Yeah, Tatati. Gonna start with the shoes. So these are the shoes we got. They're very fluffy and also not. We got them for 69 rand. Second pair of shoes we got for 140. And then this is a tea we got. We got it for 40 rand. Another tea that we got it for 56 rand. Tea number 3, we got it for 190. We got jeans for 120. We got this beautiful pants for also 120. And then we got this 2-piece. These pants, they look like this, as well as this red and white t-shirts for 170. Lastly, we got these pants. We got these pants for 170 also. That's that. Good morning. But I normally don't believe people when they say I woke up like this, Mara Fanta. Today it's me. I literally woke up like this. It's still morning, but gonna bake biscuits. Then yeah, I'll see what I do else today, and then I'll take you guys along. Oh, and yesterday I forgot to show you guys what I used to lay my wig, so I'm gonna show you guys today. It's a few things here for, and then I'm gonna do my face and take pictures with my son. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna do it. I want to do it. So okay. I wonder how old we plan, but God decides. Not today. I had planned, I'm gonna take pictures of my baby. I'm gonna do whatever. Where's all of that? None of it happened, but it's fine. We move. So I'm just gonna close off the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching until this far. And if you haven't subscribed, why did you get this far? Please do subscribe and join the family. And also, I am gonna show you guys what I used to lay my wig with. And please, I am a first timer. Don't come for me, guys. I tried, okay? So I think it's different when I have makeup on and when I don't have makeup on, because if I don't have makeup on, I can still see like the lace. But if I have makeup on my face, the laces, it disappears, man, because they blend in perfectly with my face or the foundation. So let me show you guys what I got. And also, Batum, please excuse me, I saw like some of my videos, my face is cut half. Reason being, I am at home, and number two, my tripod is not here. I have this the small one, but the long one is not here. So so good, and I can't be traveling with everything all the time. So as kissing, I'll do better next time, I promise. Let me show you what I used. So this I did it, as you can see, my hair is a bit messy. I did not straighten it or whatever. I got this for that, but I didn't use it. I used this lace melting spray. Also used this tint, lace tint spray. This also I got, the alcohol spray I got, but I didn't use it. Also have this mousse, used it. Got this also, but I didn't use it. It's mousse, but it's a liquid one. And also I got this got to be glue. Lastly, I got the wax. That's that. Thank you and God bless.